Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the Ebates Body Works Split In Repair Mask, and this is the Almond Marshmallow collection. This hair mask was sent to me by Ebates Body Works to do a free review on, and I just wanted to let y'all know my thoughts on this product. So if you can see, this is the consistency of the hair mask. It's not too thick. I feel like it's just right. And it smells so good. So I want to use this hair mask a couple times just to give a good review instead of just doing it one time, because I can't really tell you if it worked if I only use it one time. So yes, I used it 3 times, and today is going to be my 4th time using this. Okay, so I've already washed my hair, shampooed and conditioned it, and I'm just going to use this as a pretty much as a deep conditioner onto my hair. And I'm going to definitely add heat. I love to add heat for my deep conditioners, just to add a little bit more moisture into my cuticles. Because it is the winter months, I like to deep condition on a weekly basis because my hair does tend to get dry over the winter months, and I don't want dry hair. I want my hair to be nice and moisturized and bouncy and everything. Okay, so yes, so I'm going to show y'all how I use this hair mask and my results after I finish washing it. So stay tuned. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button if you do like this video, which I know you will, so just do it now. And don't forget to comment below if you use this split-in hair mask from Ebates Body Works, and just let me know your thoughts on it, or if you're curious on using it. So stay tuned. So this product is supposed to work in minutes to transform hair and prevent additional damage. You're supposed to use it weekly to strengthen hair, lessen breakage, and experience fewer split ends. It's best to use after shampooing. Massage into your hair, work down to the shaft to the ends. They want you to leave this in for 40 minutes, and for a deeper absorption into the cuticles, you want to add some heat. Okay, so now that my hair is all finished being underneath the dryer, I've sat underneath the dryer for about like 45 minutes now, or probably an hour. I really didn't keep track, but I'm done. And so now my hair is fully deep conditioned. And now it's time to rinse this out. I'll be back. So about this hair mask, this repair mask, my review on it is I really do like it. One kind that I don't really like about is I don't feel a lot of slip when I put it on. It feels more on the thicker end when you actually put it on, but it doesn't feel super thick when you touch it per se. But so yeah, I like product with a lot of slip. That's just me. But the thing that I do like is the smell. It smells so good, as well as the fact that it helps to prevent further split ends. Now I don't know if it can help repair split ends per se, because I don't really believe our product can repair a split end. I just feel like you have to just cut it off and pretty much start from scratch, you know, where you cut the split end off. So, but yes, but this product, I have been using it for a couple of times. This is my 4th time now using it, and it has really been doing my hair justice. Like I said, the only kind that I don't like is, well, the only kind that I do have is the fact that it doesn't have a lot of slip that I like. But other than that, I really do like it. So this product retails online at Eat and Body Works website for $8.99, I believe, which is a very good, reasonable price, because nowadays I be seeing products that are $14.99, $15.99, some are like $19.99, and I'm just like, that's kind of a little bit outrageous, you know, especially with the product junkie in me. I don't want to be spending $15 or whatever on a product and I may not like it. So, but even though this was sent to me, I honestly would buy it because it does do justice to my hair, which I like. I just don't like that it doesn't have slip for me, but that's okay. So, but yes, so I would definitely recommend this product. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, as well as hit that subscribe button so you can be subscribed and notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, thank you guys, hope y'all enjoyed.